What's up, everybody? It's Janae, Maddie, and Whit, and welcome to Strut into Fitness. Today's routine is so cute, like I can't even. It is a little bit fast, and there's a lot of twisting involved, so you're gonna get a nice core workout as long as you hold your abs real tight, okay? So let's go ahead and go over the steps first, and then we will do the exercise. So your first move is going to be stepping forward on this leg, okay? So you're stepping forward, and while you do, you're brushing this hand like you're making like an and motion. So it's like, and, two, okay? So you're gonna open both arms and you're gonna shift your weight towards the back of the room for 2. Then you're gonna swing this back arm around 1.5 times. So it's and 3 and 4, okay? And 4, yep, just like that. So let's do it from the top. 6, 7, 8, go, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so you feel that? It's a little bit fast. Let's do it again. 6, 7, 8, go, and back, and twist. Okay, so when you hit back, you're not gonna stay here long at all because you wanna bring this back arm to meet the front arm on and, okay? So it's 2 and 3 and 4. So every time that back arm gets to the front, it's an and. 4. Then you're gonna go, there are lots of ands in here. And 5, you're gonna go down, and arm's gonna come up, 6, you're gonna do it again, and 7, then you're gonna come down in a V, and you're gonna explode 8. Okay? So we were here, so 4, and 5, down, 6, pulse, 7, V, 8. Okay? So from the top, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, down, 6, up, 7, 8. Okay? We'll do it slow so you can catch it, and then we'll do it over and over. It will get in your body. Trust me on this. It will get in your body. It's gonna be great. Let's do it. At this, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, down, 6, and 7, open, 8. Okay? We'll do it even slower, because I know some of you are like, I need to go slower. Let's do it even slower. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, down, 6, pulse, 7, V again, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, explode. So what we'll do is we'll do it halftime to the music so you can really get it, and then we'll speed it up, okay? Whew. For me, it's harder to go slower because it like bops, but that's how you're gonna get it in your body. Five, 6, 7, 8. 2, out, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Nice and slow. I told you, I got you. Keep your abs tight. Again, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch me. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Do it again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. That's what we're gonna do, so you can be the normal count. And 1, and I'm messing up. That's what it is. We're gonna add that. And 1, and 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. See, even we mess up. 6, 7, and 1, and 2. 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Again, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Good. 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Again, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Watch me. 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Good. Take advantage of this love handle workout right here, okay? We're gonna be twisting here for just a little bit. So when you twist the front, you can see that front leg kind of straightens a little bit, and that's where you're gonna start feeling it right here. If you don't feel anything, you cheating. 5, 6, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Next move. So you just did and. So it's gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up. Good. Down, up. 7, 8. Up. Down, up. Down, up. So I'm talking about the arms when I say down, up. Down, up. Good. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Again. Really get low. There you go. Good. Again. Down, up. Go down, up. Now watch me. That's what it is. So the arms is just, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. I feel something back here. Hopefully you do too. What do y'all feel? Nothing? Y'all cheating? I'm just really out of shape is what you're saying? Down, down, again. My shoulders are burning. Again, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Watch me. V out. V out. 7, 8. V out. V out. V out. V out. V out. V out. Good. V out. V out. V out. V out. Do it again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to stack all the moves together. Like this. 1, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. And back. Good. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, and hit. 1, back, and hit. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, and 3. Watch me. Goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Good. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Good. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6. Do it again. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Watch me. 7, 8. Goes. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down 6. Just do it again. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down 6. Again. Go. Slide. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down, up. Watch me. Goes. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down. 6. Pulse. 7. Explode. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down. 6. Pulse. 7. Explode. Again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down. 6, and 7. X. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Explode. Again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. Now we're gonna do it faster, okay? We're gonna do it twice that count. So this is the beat right here, okay? I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then you're just gonna jump in, okay? Just try it. 5, 6, here I go. Okay? Just give it a try, just try it. 6, 7, 8. And 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. One more time. Give it a try. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now you guys, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Down 6, and 7. Explode. Yes, good job. I know that was a challenge, but you stuck with it. I'm proud of you.
Girl, with my eyes blurred, I don't never miss, I ain't never worried now. I hear everything you throw up. I be ballin' like